have time, please?
Ladies and gentlemen, I have in my hand a copy of tonight's top 10 list, the category, top 10 things I would have called my truck
It was never your truck.
if Ted hadn't been a jerk and given it back.
It was a rental.
Number 10, the Winnebago. Number 9, the pickup truck. Number 8, the Ford Explorer. Number 7, the U-Scream truck. U-Scream truck. Number 6, Feels on Wheels. Hello. Number 5, the Ride Her truck. Number 4, the 18 Squealer. Number 3, the Escalade. Number 2, the Slamboni. And the number 1 thing I would have called my truck if Ted hadn't been a jerk and given it back, the 69 Chevy. Sorry. Here's a few more that I was thinking of. The Screw Haul. The Fed Sex Truck. The Volvo. The Bump Her Car. The Poon Buggy. Can you say that on? Can you say that? The Starship Enterprise. The Jeep Bangler. The Barely 18-wheeler. The Limousine. The Snatchback. The Mercedes Benz Her Over. The Hummer. And the Volkswagen Hug. Oh yeah, that wasn't on there. That's not such a good one. That's all I got.